Greetings of the day. We are proud to announce the launch of the International Integrated Weld Quality Management System IIWQMS 2025. The system integrates internationally recognized standards including ISO 3834, ISO 9001, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001 through value-added audit assessments while following the guidelines of ISO 19011, ISO 38346 along with relevant BS-EN and ISO welding codes and standards to promote international best practices, enhance safety and reliability, support workforce development, encourage sustainable welding practices worldwide, and contribute to prisoner reformation by transforming lives through welding skills development aligned with the human-centric on Industry 5.0. Principal Research Author Mr. CHANDRAN SUBRAMANI, CQI qualified and over 30 years professional experience in welding field. Procedure documented by Mrs. J.JAYANThi Chandran. The IIWQMS 2025 concept has been presented at IIW National Welding Meet at IGCAR Kalpakkam, ASNT International Conference, IPR International Conference at IISc, International Maritime Conference Chennai. Our campaign theme, Change the Welding World, ensuring weld quality with global standards. This innovation procedure was selected at the International Congress in Salzburg, Austria, and at the IIW International Commission on Quality Management. We sincerely invite stakeholders to join hands with IIWQMS 2025 for implementing this global welding quality system. Thank you all.